Hey, it's Andy from WriteBlogger, and today I thought I'd show you our Excel formula generator. Now, this tool is great if you're familiar with Excel. Of course, it's a really powerful tool, but sometimes it's really hard to write those formulas, and that's where AI can come in and help you here. So let's go in and try the tool out. Now, I have a spreadsheet already made here of a list of all the countries, so you can see that here. But I'm actually going to go over back to the tool, and let's say if we want a list of all the countries that end with the letters IA. So items from column A that end in IA. Let's hit generate. Now you can see here I messed up and I picked Excel. So let me actually hit edit and rerun here, and we'll do this for Google Sheets. And I'll hit generate again, and we'll have a new query here in a second. And you can just click copy here like all WriteBlogger tools. So I hit copy. We'll go over to our spreadsheet and let's paste in our formula here. And you can see now we have all of the countries from the list in a new column that end with IA. Now, of course, since this is powered by AI, we can go a lot more advanced, and we can even do things like end in IA or in land. And let's try again. So you can see here we have our new query. Let's go add that back in here. We'll overwrite what we have. And now we have a list of all of the countries that end in land or IA. This is great if you're trying to do a really complex mathematical formula, a regular expression in there. Of course, this is a great way to enhance your skills in Microsoft Excel and in Google Sheets. Let's go back over to the tool, and I'll show you one other thing this can do. You can hit share over here. So if you have an editor or someone on your team that you want to give this query to, you can just hit copy here, and it'll give a user a direct link to that formula there. Overall, a really easy tool. I hope you enjoy it. And if you like this video, definitely check us out at writeblogger.com. Thanks for watching.